Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites by Marriott Norfolk, Virginia Beach. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, non-smoking rooms, excellent fitness center, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This hotel offers an indoor swimming pool and a well-equipped fitness center. It provides guest laundry facilities. Norfolk International Airport is 6.6 miles away. SpringHill Suites, Norfolk, Virginia Beach is an all-suite hotel featuring studio-style suites. All rooms come with deluxe bedding, each one fitted with custom comforters and feather and foam pillows. Each accommodations has a TV with satellite channels and streaming capabilities. All rooms have basic kitchenette facilities such as microwave, mini fridge as well as cupboard space for groceries. The living area includes a sofa with a full-size pullout and a desk with ergonomic work chair. SpringHill Suites offers a complimentary hot breakfast and coffee daily, located in the lobby. SpringHill Suites, Norfolk, Virginia Beach is just 15 minutes to downtown Norfolk and 20 minutes to the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.